So let's start by deboning my rotisserie chicken. I took it out of the freezer. When I purchased it, I really didn't have time to deal with it, so I threw it into the freezer, the entire thing. There's actually 2 of them that I purchased with every intention to debone them and then freeze them. But time got away from me, so this one I pulled out. I thawed it out. I also put it in the microwave for approximately 15 minutes at 50% power, because it was still kind of partially frozen in the middle. You can feel it was very cold, so I did that, and I just let this cool down a little bit, and we're gonna get to deboning it. So let me go get my Ziploc bag, and we're gonna try and do it the easy way. So the first thing I want to do is take the elastic off that is holding these drumsticks together. There we go. These are actually already falling apart. So I think what I'm gonna do is, because these bones are already falling apart, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in there. I'm gonna save these bones for chicken broth. So I got all the loose parts off. Hopefully it's not too hot. I don't want the bag to melt, but it feels okay. I think this will work out good. Oh, there's the rest of the elastic. Oh, there we go. Let me move this. All right. So I'm just gonna massage it. Here we go. Now I'm just gonna pull everything out, put it in my bowl. So there we have it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this I'm gonna actually throw back into my Ziploc. And this will go in the freezer. Now this rotisserie has a lot of juice. Very nice flavors. I'm just gonna pour that in there. And we're all set. I've got my rotisserie deboned. This is gonna be a healthy, low carb meal prep. This is gonna be, let me try that again. A healthy, low carb meal prep. I'm not gonna be making any rice, so it's just gonna be this rotisserie chicken with the broccoli casserole. So let's get to it. Let's get to prepping. So this zucchini casserole recipe says it's for 6 servings. So I put out 6 meal prep containers. The glass ones are mine for me. I'm using a little bit bigger. These are the Glad brand. I'm going with a little bit bigger than what I traditionally use because my son says to me that he eats 2 of those containers in one sitting. So apparently they're not enough for him, but they're enough for me. So let's get this taken care of. Let's see how I do with this little doodad. So I want to do the casserole first because I want to weigh out my chicken that I'm going to be putting in. So let's see how this casserole came out. I'll try it. Let's try this. Oh my, that has some nice flavor. I need a bigger spatula. Very nice. I'm definitely going to be making this again. So I have some left over here. I will package that up and either make a chicken salad out of it or give it to my son for extra chicken. Thank you once again for joining me in Bocce's Corner in my kitchen while I did my rotisserie chicken meal prep with my healthy zucchini casserole. So I hope to see you soon. Until next time.